man. Yeah, man, this is Florida, man. You know what I'm saying? This is Burlington, Florida, man. Feel me? Free all my nigga, man. Free Michael Zoe. Free Haitian Joe. You heard me? Free Jimmy, man. Free Claudia, man. You heard me? Free Jeff. You know what I'm saying? Real nigga shit, man. You know what I'm saying? They will be talking like a bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't fuck with a fun ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? You can't tell what them niggas working for them cockers, man. It's all good, man. Talking about Haitian this, Haitian that, man. We been get money. We been have money, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga be in struggle, man. Get money, man. Whatever we gotta do, man, we gon' get it, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Voodoo bars all day, man. Zopam nigga, you feel me? One more time, man. Free Michael Zoe, free Haitian Joe, man. You feel me? It's all good, man. Nigga shot me 6 times, man. I take that shit like a man. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? This is street life, man. You're not ready for that shit, man. Don't bring your ass to that shit, man. Try to fuck up with nigga game shit, man. Nigga buy money. You feel me? I don't want your baby mama, nigga. You buy my money, man. You know what I'm saying? Zopam all day. Voodoo Boys 24/7, nigga. Feel me? Nigga talking this and that, man. It's all good. Feel me? It's all good. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to escape none niggas down here, man. But it's all good. I got wop, I wop too. You feel me? It's all good. Niggas shot me, but I don't know. I don't know who shot me. I don't know none, nigga. So get ready. Get ready. I'm back. Back to the street, man. Feel me? Big body shit. Nigga, we doing good, my nigga. Zopam, nigga. Voodoo Boys got my back. What up, Jimo? Real nigga. This nigga always got my back, man. Real nigga. What's up, Easy? That's my nigga, man. You feel me? That's my nigga. That's a real nigga shit. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple friends. All them niggas act like a fake. This all good. They know I'm a real ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Always. That's what I know. You feel me? Stay real, man. You know what I'm saying? If I gotta do my time, man, I'm gonna do my time. I ain't gotta snitch on nobody. You feel me? Some shit happen to the street, man. You gotta keep that shit to the street, man. Don't bring them cockers to the shit, man. You're not ready for the street life, nigga. Don't come to the shit, my nigga. Real nigga shit, Zoe life, nigga. You know what I'm saying? More money. Every day, 24/7. Alright? You know what I'm saying? Fuck them hoes, man. Hoes ain't mean nothing, dog. Nigga just like a bitch, man. You doing good, they your friend. You know what I'm saying? You doing bad, you don't see them niggas. It's all good. Now I'm trying to eat, man. You know what I'm saying? Much love for my son. You heard me? Love my son so much, man. I don't get fucked by other niggas shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Free Michael Zoe, free Jimmy, free Haitian Joe, free Claudia, man. Free Jeff, man. Real nigga doing time over dumb shit. Because them pussy ass niggas not ready for that shit, man. They come to the game, snitch on the nigga and let nigga doing time, man. That's fucked up, man. You know what I'm saying? But 2012 street gonna be changed, nigga. Best nigga snitch on me, this over. You heard me? Much love for Zopam nigga, man. Voodoo Boys nigga. What's up, Billy Blue Briscoe, Red Ozzy? Much love, man. It's for sure, my nigga.